Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing only what's necessary. Install the Lobbyapi plugin and confirm the runtime version so compatibility is guaranteed. Next, create an API key and save it in an environment variable named Lobbyapi because hardcoding is risky. Then add the plugin to your project dependencies and run the initial check with Lobbyapi ping. This verifies connectivity. Once done, note any error codes and copy them for troubleshooting, and make sure your firewall allows the plugin's outbound port. You now wire the core, map the plugin endpoints lobby, create lobby, join lobby, list, and configure sensible timeouts and retry policies so requests don't hang. Implement the authorization header using bearer plus your Lobbyapi KEY and handle token refresh proactively because expired tokens break flows silently. Then connect your UI events to those calls, displaying loading states and clear error messages so users understand what's happening. Once these pieces are integrated, run end-to-end scenario. You finish by implementing cleanup. Ensure lob is closed gracefully, tokens are revoked, and client cache is cleared to avoid stale state. Then add monitoring for request latency and error percentage, with alerts for anomalous trends so you catch regressions early. If something goes wrong, the most common fix is to verify the API key scope and confirm server clock sync. Bad scopes or skewed clocks cause authentication failures. Finally, run a full smoke test and iterate until the flow is reliable and repeatable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.